Hi, I'm Don from Don's Empty Kitchen. I call myself Don, the anti-chef Wellborn. And the reason why I call myself the anti-chef is because I will use ingredients that most chefs won't touch. And I'll show you how to, too. How to use frozen foods, how to use canned foods, how to know when foods can be used for another day or when to throw them out. Okay? I will use all my chef skills to teach, rather inspire people on a meager income on ODSP, Ontario Works, old age pension. I will use my skills to inspire you to cook well for you and your family because it will make you feel good inside. It will give you a sense of pride. It will give you a reason to get out of bed in the morning. And above all, this channel is going to be uplifting and inspiring. In my mind, there's no such thing as a second-class citizen, and there shouldn't be in anybody else's. So, come with me on my journey to teach, to inspire you how to cook better, how to garnish so your food looks like it came from a 4-star restaurant, okay? When really it's a meal that's less than $5 to make. So I will teach you those skills. I will inspire you to learn those skills. I'm sorry. So come with me on my journey and please join, like and subscribe, and we'll get to cooking and stretching your food budget. Take care.